So today I'm going to show you a prosthetic hand that I've been working on and off for a little while. Uh, I did print this on my new printer on the X1C made by Bamboo, and it printed pretty nice. Everything looks nice. The design, though, is not very good. And at the time, I didn't know that. I thought that these pegs will work and that you can actually tweak it because what happens is once the person has their hand in, this is made for somebody who is the bottom. This is how the bottom looks like. Uh, so then over here through these slots, uh, you put your partial wrist or whatever if you have that, and this part here goes over here on this part of the hand, and and of course you have a strap to strap yourself in. So I'm a little disappointed that it I couldn't finish it completely because it's just not going anywhere with all the um, that way it's designed. But a good thing about it is that I've learned a lot, and you can see that if I push, for instance, here, that the thumb is working. So I learned, and this one here does this finger, and this one does that finger, and this one does that finger. Anyway, uh, these things just keep falling out, and it's just not. They're just not designed to fit right. The other thing was that the opening for the thumb, it goes in a circle like this way. I had to make a little opening in here on the side uh, because I needed to get into the part where the fishing line goes. So it goes this way, this way, this way, and that way. I know it's hard to see because that fishing line is very, very thin, but that's that white line you see over here. So I'm going to use this video for one thing, and that is I am looking for kids that live in nearby area or the ones who want to come all the way here to Lincoln, Nebraska, and I want to print them a working hand. I have a better design, and I have um, a kit coming, and that kit has all kinds of things that makes the things makes it easier. Plus, it's standard. So, if there's some other people who do what I do, which there are, they can fix it or repair it. Fix and repair is the same thing, Tony. uh, or upgrade it. So because this part here can last a long time depending on where the amputation is or missing hand. And then this part here gets outgrown the most because the size of the wrist, it growing with the child, of course. So uh, I would give myself probably a D on being able to make it work. I'll take a B for effort, but uh, it's what it is. Sometimes you make things that they are 100% good, and sometimes you don't. And I like to show things that I made and it didn't work. Just like my previous couple of videos. Uh, so like the Iris project. No, now again, I'm looking for someone who is an amputee or they didn't have the hand developed, but the wrist they have maybe, or they have at least the arm side, uh, and so we can attach this because I'm a beginner at this, and I uh, I would like to take complicated things, but I have to make progress and learn about it. And so, if you know of anyone who needs something like that, or where can or an idea where I should go, so maybe an hospital, children's hospital, or some kind of organization that maybe uh, provides connection to the people that they need a prosthetic made. They're very, very lightweight. Okay, I have a scale and I can measure it, but it is so lightweight. Uh, that's the other thing is that it's functional, but it's lightweight because many times these hands, when they make the expensive ones, are heavy and they attach differently. There's a vacuum. You have to put this special rubberized thing, it's like silicone, made out of silicone or whatever. And so some of the amputees complain about that. So anyway, uh, I would definitely um, look that up on your own too if you are interested also making these hands maybe. Well, thank you very much. You have a great day. Gives me thumbs up and mainly give me that information that I need. And subscribe too if you are not. Thank you very much. Have a great day.